In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use JustWorks. So basically, JustWorks is an all-in-one HR, payroll, benefits, and compliance platform for small to mid-sized businesses. So if we go to pricing, we can see that they have three different plans. So they have the payroll, PO Basic, and PO Plus. So the cheapest one is $8 per month per employee, and it's gonna cost you an extra $50 per month base fee. And then you have PO Basic and PO Plus. Now between these three, I recommend you to go with the PO Plus one. So after that, you just have to create an account and add employees with roles, salaries, and tax info. Then run payroll automatically with integrated taxes and direct deposit. You can also set up benefits and PTO, including health plans, 401s, and leave policies. And you can stay compliant with built-in reporting, W2S, and labor law support. So basically, that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.